You can make something nicer. And a good example, just to kick things off, I went on a while ago and put an ad on YouTube, which I was holding this thing up for the viewers watching at home. This is an egg container for when you go, an egg carrier for when you go camping, right? And you put 6 eggs in it and you carry it. So I went and picked this up from Anaconda, and I thought, I'm just going to use this as an example in the ad. I got trolled really hard because people were like, yeah, like the world needs more plastic landfill and everything, right? But this thing was doing $6,000, well, is I think right now doing about $6,000 a month on Amazon, US dollars. When you think about that, even at 30% margin, that's like 2,000 American dollars a month, it's like 3,000 Australian dollars.
That's a little more than pocket money.
It's like $750 a week. It's a good thing, right? But the point that people were making in the trolling comments was actually the opportunity itself. Like, what would you do with a product like this because a lot of people think Amazon and online selling is just about selling cheap shit and not about actually creating quality, which couldn't be further from the truth. Like, what would you do knowing the market there are campers? What would you do?
Well, I personally, I didn't want to sell cheap shit. I actually wanted people to be excited about what they got and not put it in a landfill. And you didn't either. And we don't encourage our students to do that. Well, you said camping, right? Like, campers are probably at least a little bit environmental. This just doesn't look like nature. It doesn't feel environmental.
It looks like you wouldn't want your 3-year-old to lick it because it would get lead poisoning.
Yeah, like you got it at the dollar store, for sure.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it was $6. Well, nowadays there's so many interesting materials. This could be made out of an eco-friendly material, something biodegradable, and even if it just had like a cool, sort of khaki color, not shiny matte, and then this packaging. Oh my God.
It's horrible, right? The hang tag just looks cheap.
It could be in like a craft paper with a really cool logo, and I'm like a huge fan of things that are a bit fun, like a fun little tagline, and it sells the whole lifestyle of what you're using this for.
Yeah, but you can imagine it instead of having this highly glossy cardboard, you could put like a matte recycled paper called Earth Warriors or something.
I like it. Earth Warriors.
Earth Warriors with like a composted hard shell.
Yeah.
So it's biodegradable.
Yeah.
And now you're actually doing something good. You are ticking all the boxes that we're going to cover with you guys shortly when we go through how to find products. And you feel good about what you're doing, and you're filling a need in the market, which is for people who want to be environmentally responsible, and for all people
and have eggs
that don't break, right? Thanks for watching the video, and if you enjoyed it, guys, please hit the subscribe button so that we can build our subscriber base and get more great content out to you guys.